Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1970 Chevy Chevelle Coupe. Very nice Chevelle here at Skyway. Of course, the most popular of the Chevelle. Coming out to you with a very nice red exterior. As you can see, it has the appropriate cowl induction hood with the SS stripes coming from the top to the back. Having the nice hood pins and also having the nice SS mag wheels on it, 5-spoke. And as I said before, it has a nice black vinyl top. Definitely gives it that cooler look as for the coupe. Other than that, moving on to the interior now, as you can see, is an automatic on the floor horseshoe shifter. You have the original factory style steering wheel, not a 3-spoke. Actually having the working horn, which is surprising because a lot of those didn't work. As you can see, all our gauges are working, our tach is working, or no, our speedometer is working. Other than that, you can see we have an aftermarket radio with cassette, usually like late 80s. Other than that, you have your AC controls, which leads us underneath the hood, going to a 396 big block. Only having stock manifolds, more of the stock look as it did come from the factory. I also want to mention that it does have the factory style 134 AAC, as you can see from the original style heater core. Other than that, going up the road now, she is a smooth little cruiser. Definitely better than the built up big blocks, because as you can see right now, you just got to have a nice smooth ride, not nothing too powerful. Not none that's going to shake too much, especially when you're at the lights, but yeah, it's very nice. Also want to mention this interior is definitely nice. Having the stock bucket seats, clean back seat. Well, clean as you know what I mean. Other than that, you have a nice solid dash, and more importantly, you have that nice view looking out the window. The only thing you need now is a passenger princess. But as for now, though, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so stay tuned to see the underneath.